Okay, bear with me. I don't feel good. Let's go out the front door. Come on now, go easy, easy. Okay, stop. No, stop. So this is my yard. Wait, huh? And some lot of snow. A lot of freaking snow. Let's go around. So you can get some kind of idea how much snow. Oh, don't even want to go out. Oh, there's down the street. There's a lot of snow. Lots of snow. Oh, no. Come on this way. She's gonna poop right there. Great. I don't even care. That is a lot of snow. Okay, so here's the rest of our yard. And there's my little snowbankings. I was sledding down. That is a lot of snow. Yeah, that's 2015, the blizzard. Okay, bye-bye.